review today's outfit of the day, which is going to be the new Granite Digital Light and Tight leggings. Pocket leggings, you guys. These are light and tight, so they are going to be super compressive. I actually, if you are on the upper end of your size, I definitely recommend sizing up. This was a workout to get me in my true to size. Once they're on, they fit like a glove, but holy goodness, getting them on is special. But they are amazing. So they're kind of like a pinkish color with some gray. They're almost metallic-y, and they have like that digital effect. So I don't know if you can really see, but they kind of have, if you look at them, like the digital lines like from a television, right? Super duper cool. They're gonna be high rise, super compressive. They have the pockets, so great pockets. They are a 7/8 length legging, so you can see where they fall. And I'm loving it paired with our gray, I think it's like a splash seamless racerback. Super duper cute, true to size. I'm wearing a small in the tank. And then my favorite grid bra, which our grid bras are on sale right now. If you don't have a grid bra, you need a grid bra. I wear it with any tank that I can layer because it gives you this really cute grid effect. And I love it for the pool. So I wear it to swim in. It's great. It makes a perfect bikini top, so you're getting 2 for 1, right? But anyways, they're fabulous. They are squat proof. Even though they're a light color, they're doing really great with undie lines, and they are amazing. So one more look of the pattern up close. So you see how you can kind of see the digital lines? Super duper cool. So we will be putting these to the test today at the gym. So hope you love them.